the busiest shipping lane in the world. 22 mi of freezing, unforgiving water separates a continent. For 200 years, they dreamed of building a bridge. The first plan was in 1802, horses and oil lamps. 1880. They actually started digging a test tunnel, but the sea always wins. After 4 failed starts, the British and French governments finally agreed. 2 nations, 1 incredible risk. They weren't just building a tunnel, they were fusing 2 economies, 2 rail tunnels, and 1 central service tunnel. On the French side, the village of Sangatte became ground zero. In England, they dug from the legendary cliffs of Dover.
The projected growth here, particularly across the north of the United Kingdom, highlights the need for this new infrastructure.
Building the world's longest underwater tunnel requires unprecedented scale, from futuristic design to massive coastal development. Beneath the turbulent waves lies the foundation for the tunnel, traversing millions of years of geological strata.
We analyzed the geological layers beneath the ocean, testing materials.
This is the material we extracted from the seabed. When pulverized into this fine powder, it reacts uniquely with the water pressure. And this is what the ground looks like deep below the seabed. We call this material London clay.
Here at the rock crushing station, we're utilizing the latest in next-gen technology to process the aggregate needed for the underwater tunnel. To build the world's longest underwater tunnel, we first have to bore through kilometers of solid rock. Welcome to next-gen manufacturing. This is the TBM cutting head. They started this project back in 1988, deep under the sea. But something went wrong with the initial phase.
Easy now, easy. A little more to the right.
Okay, set it down.
It's holding firm right here.
All right, keep it coming.
Get that line clear now.
We need more pressure over here.
Watch the water level, it's still rising.
It's giving way. We have to pull back.
The breach is expanding faster than anticipated. Reroute power to Substation 9.
This next generation Caterpillar model features an upgraded C18 engine and a reinforced blade. We are thrilled to show you the latest from next-gen manufacturing. This bulldozer is essential for the new infrastructure plan.
Clear the tracks. The gantry is moving forward. Watch your step on the lower levels. The tunnel segments, measuring 7.6 meters in diameter, are lowered into place with pinpoint accuracy.
Still hearing that deep grinding noise.
It sounds unstable. We should pull back.
We finally did it!
Warning, structural instability detected. Now at 8.2 meters. Decreasing, 5.1.
We did it! Yes, we finally made it through.
What is that? My God, we did it!
As you can see, the tunnel boring machine uses this massive cutter head to carve through the seabed. As you can see on the display, this massive wheel is designed to cut through the hardest rock formations, minimizing disruption above ground. Welcome to the main control hub. This panel monitors the airflow and structural integrity of the entire tunnel system. Backport. As you can see on the main control panel here, these gauges monitor the pressure levels throughout the system. This is the electrical backbone of the tunnel. These copper bus bars deliver the immense power required for the high-speed trains.
The crisis is over. We are not paying this $9.5 billion.
This is the heart of next-gen manufacturing, where we oversee seamless integration and real-time optimization. Welcome to next-gen manufacturing. We're excited to show you what's possible.
Welcome to the UK terminal. Today we're looking at next-gen manufacturing's latest.
Easy now, hold it right there. A little more to the left.
While the tunnel forged a link between nations, we must never forget the lives that made it possible.
Move in, keep the pressure up.
We've got structural collapse on the north tunnel.
Watch your spacing, go, go, go.
Move, move, get those lines pressurized now.
Hurry, keep moving to the right tunnel. Go, go, go!
As you can see, the fire caused catastrophic structural failure, but the emergency response plan ensured a safe evacuation.
The next generation manufacturing process ensures seamless travel between the UK and France. The Next Gen Manufacturing Initiative is proud to present the completed route for the new undersea tunnel connecting the UK and Europe. We are redefining what's possible, from the depth of industry to the horizon of innovation. This is the
By visualizing the data this way, we can finalize the next-gen schematics and begin the manufacturing phase by the end of the week.
The wireframe models provide a comprehensive overview. This is the future of infrastructure. Join us.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Hip, hip, hooray!